I am utilizing the Bid Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bid Integration Dashboard. Create integration. Search and select Divi Engine as a trigger. Click the Fetch button, go to the form page, and submit the form to retrieve it. Form submitted successfully. After submitting the form, the Divi engine has been successfully fetched. I will now change the field types for the email and phone numbers. Set action. Search and select an action. Wishlist. Give here the member URL and password. Go to WishList API. Copy the API URL and API key and paste it here. Authorize it. Authorization is successfully done. Now click on Next. Choose an action. Choose a level. Map the respective fields. Here are advanced features in conditional logic. If you want, you can use it for your own requirement. Click on Next. Finish and save it. Let's submit a form. Submit the form. Now go to the WishList dashboard. Members. And you can see the data came successfully in the wishlist. Thanks for watching.